Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. You know I come to Las Vegas a lot, and if any hotel and casino makes me homesick, it's gotta be the New York Hotel and Casino. Here you see the Statue of Liberty, Grand Central Terminal, the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building, the Brooklyn Bridge. I mean, this is one of the best themed hotels there is in Las Vegas, if you ask me. And hey, I'm Jeff from New York. Not only does the New York Hotel and Casino always make me homesick when I step inside or even while I'm walking outside, but it's also one of my most winningest casinos here on the Las Vegas Strip. So as you can see, it's one of my favorite spots to stop off at. I haven't been here in a while, so I thought I'd stop by today and check it out. And it's right next to the Park Las Vegas, or the MGM Park as most people call it. Right by the T-Mobile Arena. When there is a Golden Knights game here, a hockey team, the local hockey team here in Las Vegas, there is a sea of gold and black jerseys that go up and down the park and here at New York, inside and outside at the bars and cafes. So it's really something to behold right before and right after a hockey game. Tracy Ellison, a loyal watcher, I know you love the New York Hotel and Casino. This one's for you. We just walked past the Hershey store and the chocolate bar, and the pub we're in front of now is Nine Fine Irishmen. Inspired by a group of extraordinary Irishmen who led lives of great adventure, this is a pub of epic proportions that was built in Ireland and actually shipped to the heart of Las Vegas. As for food and drink, the signature dishes are made of only the freshest natural Irish ingredients that pair perfectly with the finest stouts, ales, lagers, and spirits. Coming up on the left is the New York Hotel and Casino Sportsbook, one of the puniest sports books there is on the Las Vegas Strip. Shame on you, New York. Hopefully they'll redo something around here, but it looks like a hallway. Coming up here is Tom's Urban, where you can cheer on your team with your favorite draft beer in one of their iconic two-handed 40-ounce steins, or you can indulge in some of their favorites like deep dish nachos or Tom's famous prime rib dip. This is Gonzalez y Gonzalez. Spicy Southwestern fare can be yours at Gonzalez y Gonzalez, featuring an authentic tequila bar. I love this area of the New York Hotel and Casino. Lots of restaurants. It looks just like Greenwich Village. Again, fantastic theming. If you look up, you see all the balconies and the air conditioners, and just like New York, air conditioners hanging out the windows and fire escapes. And the only thing that I think is missing from this area are some shops. There's lots of restaurants, not too many places to go shopping though. It would be nice if they had a couple shops here, but I've been to a lot of restaurants in this area, the Greenwich Village area, if you will, of New York Hotel and Casino. I haven't been to them all, though. Maybe I should do a video of just the restaurants here alone. This is the old Cirque du Soleil Zoomanity Theater. I call it the Zoomanity Theater. By the way, there's a Zoomanity video here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. Terry Fatter used to have his act here. I believe he was moved somewhere else in the New York. And Cirque du Soleil is back in this theater with a show called Mad Apple. I'd love to visit it. I don't believe it's really starting until May of this year, so I'm probably going to miss it on my next visit, but the visit after that, this is definitely a show I want to check out. This is Cerricho's Pizza. I had a pizza here once. It was very good. I got the Sicilian. I don't order Sicilian that often, but I was in the mood for a Sicilian that day. I ordered it. It was Sicilian with pepperoni. I really enjoyed it. And right across from that is Gallagher's Steakhouse. The area we just walked through is called the Village Eateries, and some of the restaurants there, just some of them, include Greenwich Coffee, Fulton's Fish Fry, Greenberg's Deli, Cerricho's Pizza, Times Square to Go, Grand Central Froyo, and others. Gallagher's Steakhouse has the finest dry-aged beef and fresh seafood. It's a New York City original since 1927. And this is Chin Chin Cafe and Sushi Bar. They offer traditional Chinese food, sushi, and Pan-Asian specialties. Here we have Il Forneo. It's a premium quality Italian food paired with great wines and cocktails. Hey, I'm going to be back in Las Vegas in about a week, so if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see in upcoming videos, leave a comment below. And also make sure you visit the New York Community Room. Just click on that Community tab at the top of the channel, because I'll be doing a lot of updates in the Community Room while I'm there. This is America. Go on a culinary journey with food, wine, and beer from coast to coast, all in one American setting. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. We're going to head upstairs. They have a Nathan's Famous up there that serves not only hot dogs, but pizza and cheesesteaks and burgers as well. There's a huge arcade, we'll check that out. And the ride for the roller coaster, the line for the roller coaster starts upstairs. That roller coaster goes indoors and outdoors. New York is famous for that coaster, and I've never been on it. And maybe this trip coming up, I'll check it out. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. And then after the video, if you're interested, check out the New York merchandise store. It's got a lot of cool stuff. If you want to look cool and be hip with all the vloggers here on YouTube, then check it out and buy something. If you don't want to be cool, then don't bother. Okay, now we're back downstairs at the adult arcade. Although a lot of adults were upstairs, I guess they're all kids at heart, and I really do enjoy a good arcade. I don't know about you guys. Do you enjoy the arcades when you visit hotels and casinos? Leave a comment below. I'm not sure if you do or you don't, but we're downstairs now at the adult arcade, or what most people call a casino. And now we've gone up yet another level here from the casino. It's not by the escalators where we took the arcade, but this is a different set of escalators, and it takes you to this area where there's lots of fast food restaurants, a couple of souvenir shops, and the club Coyote Ugly, which is a famous club known for that movie that came out years ago. You know, I've been to New York Hotel and Casino lots of times in my travels to Las Vegas, and I never really realized until my last visit how huge this place is. I mean, they got a huge casino. The hotel itself is huge. They've got restaurants and an arcade up on the other level, and on this level they have more restaurants and shops and a club and just lots of stuff to do here. It's a great hotel and casino. And of course there's more upscale restaurants that we pass downstairs right off the casino. As we go straight ahead, there's a overpass here that takes you directly to the Excalibur Hotel and Casino.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.